Okay, let's go over the front rack setup. So we're gonna go over the regressions and progressions to getting into this front rack position or front rack grip here. Okay, so before we even start, we need to understand where the barbell is sitting on our shoulders or our delts, okay? We wanna get up close and personal with this bar. So one of the drills I'm gonna have you do before we use it as your warm-up set, before we even get into any type of grip or cross-arm grip, is we're gonna get underneath this barbell, get it up close and personal to our neck, and we're gonna go thumbs up, okay? So thumbs up, front squat right here. And you're gonna feel this barbell sitting across this groove where you're gonna be, whether you're going cross-arm or you have this front rack grip. But we're gonna go thumbs up, just like this, arms straight out, walk it out, and I just want you guys to practice as a warm-up set this thumb up front squat, okay?